Uh-oh. Oh, is that me? Am I getting pulled over? Is it me? Oh, crap. Look, fam, I just got pulled over. Okay. Oh, hi.
Hey, how are you?
All good. How are you?
Good. Officer Helcher, Brownston Police Department. 2 reasons for a stop, okay? That tag, whenever you're riding and you pull away from a distance, it becomes obscured by your rear tire. Not a huge deal, just move it up a little bit.
Okay.
Second thing is the tag's expired.
Uh-huh.
Did you know it was expired?
Yeah, I have the, it's just because of the way the mount is down there,
Yeah.
that I just have to take the seat off and all that stuff. So I was just like, I have it here. You want to see it? I have it.
You have
I have it underneath my seat here. The
updated one?
correct.
If you'll give me your license and show that to me, I'll get you out of here.
All right, no problem.
It's a nice bike. Yeah, you can step off.
Oh, thanks.
Absolutely. Nice bike.
Yeah, I appreciate it. It's not bad. It's fun to ride around.
Absolutely. Absolutely, man. How much it cost if you don't mind me asking?
No, it cost me a little over 12 to get it.
It's not bad.
So given the bike and this actual upgrades that it has, because this is the SP model and they have the base model, and so given the upgrades that it has, I think it's really worth the price.
Oh, absolutely.
In regards to like some of the other ones that are in the same class. And here's the insurance for the motorcycle.
You're good. I was able to verify insurance.
Yeah, there's the insurance
Sweet.
for it. Yeah.
You're good to go on that.
Okay. Did you want to see the updated?
Yeah, if you got it, just don't hand it if it's not, not going to take you a long time. And
No, it's just I just got to get right underneath there.
I got you.
Yeah, it's no big problem.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Give me 1 second on your license, I'll get you out.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh.
You're good to go.
All right.
So when you step back,
Uh-huh.
you might be able to see what I'm talking about. Whenever you're pulling away, so it's visible right now.
Uh-huh.
But whenever you pull a distance away, like 2-3 car lengths away, your tire then obscures it because of the angle in which the
Uh-huh.
tag is located.
Okay.
So if there's any way, just move it up just a tiny hair. That way you ain't got to get stopped for this again.
Okay, yeah. They have 2 options. So I may have to go ahead and just get the what they call the high mount. So it sits like right here.
Right. Yeah.
So it'll sit like right there.
That'll probably be the best.
Yeah.
That way you just don't get stopped for it.
Yeah. I appreciate that though.
No, absolutely. No court, no fines, no fees. Just verbal warning. You're good to go. Get out of here.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh, shoot. All right. Cool officer, really cool guy. I didn't get his name. I didn't care for it. But yeah, so that was my first time getting pulled over for my plate, my low mount. And yeah, so guess what I'm gonna have to do? Leave it alone. That's what I'm gonna do, because I ain't trying to buy another plate, bro. No, I'm going to follow the law. I am going to make it more visible for them so that I don't get pulled over again. He was very nice, got me off on a warning, just a verbal warning. Really nice guy. So yeah, definitely gonna have to change the mount position. Even though I love the mount position, the mount position is so sexy. Ah, come on guys, come on cops, stop doing it. There, I just want to have a low mount because it's so sexy. Anyways,